Us eagles were the largest eagles that we know of in the entire world. They had a wingspan up to 2.6 meters wide, which is pretty massive.
In our vast and wondrous world, there exists a wealth of knowledge about the myriad forms of life inhabiting Earth. Despite our tireless efforts to document the rich tapestry of living beings, the reality remains that we are far from unraveling all the mysteries that lie within our planet. The challenges presented by remote habitats and human interference have rendered some creatures elusive, on the brink of extinction. Join us as we embark on an exciting adventure to explore the mysterious world of 20 rare animals seldom seen by people. Number 20. Narwhal. Narwhals, often regarded as the unicorns of the ocean, are far from mythical creatures. They are real, yet elusive, making a sighting a rare and remarkable experience for most of us. These toothed whales exhibit a distinctive characteristic, particularly in males, where long, straight spiral tusks emerge from their canine teeth on the left side. With a maximum length of around 18 feet and a weight reaching up to 3,530 pounds, narwhals, intriguingly, lack dorsal fins, setting them apart from their marine counterparts. Unlike many whales and dolphins that have fused vertebrae, narwhals have joined vertebrae, a feature more commonly observed in most other mammals. Thriving in the Arctic waters of Canada, Russia, and Greenland, these creatures are specialized Arctic predators. During winter, they feed on flatfish beneath pack ice, while in the summer their diet primarily consists of Arctic cod. Despite our understanding of why many animals possess unique features, the purpose of the narwhal's iconic unicorn-like tusk remains a subject of mystery among experts. Growing up to approximately 10.2 feet, the tusk is a remarkable appendage found in about 1 in 500 males, with a rare 15% of females also sporting smaller versions. Theories abound regarding its function, with some suggesting it serves as a weapon for feeding, breaking holes in sea ice for breathing, or functioning as an acoustic organ. Others propose that the tusk may enhance their desirability to potential mates. While the exact purpose of this distinctive feature is not entirely clear, the prevailing consensus leans towards its role in social interactions rather than practicalities like feeding or catching prey. Number 19. White moose. Before disregarding this initial entry, consider the exceptional nature of the white moose. While it may be tempting to attribute its coloration to albinism or a genetic disorder, the reality is more intriguing. Albinism, a condition affecting both humans and animals, could turn a moose white due to the loss of skin pigment, posing risks. However, the white moose phenomenon is not solely tied to albinism. White fur in moose can also result from a genetic variation, observed when a group of moose becomes so isolated that they naturally develop this distinctive coloration.
Its white fur is a genetic mutation. The moose appears to be entirely white, with a soft white velvet coating, even its antlers.
This phenomenon is not exclusive to moose, as other animals like polar bears and certain fox species undergo similar transformations. However, the emergence of white fur depends on specific environmental conditions, limiting the regions where these unique moose can be found. Sweden is a notable location where white moose sightings are relatively frequent, often captured in videos by intrigued observers.
All right, a white moose. There are only about 100 of them in Sweden. You have to see this. Hans Nilsson, who's been tracking them for 3 years, caught this moose on video.
Despite their distinct appearance, it's crucial to emphasize that white moose do not constitute a separate species. Mere coloration differences do not signify a new species. Nevertheless, encountering a white moose might evoke a sense of wonder, prompting one to question if they've stumbled upon a creature from a fairy tale, adding an extra layer of mystique to these captivating animals. Number 18. Haast's eagle. The Haast's eagle, with its colossal size, could easily be mistaken for a creature of myth. Once inhabitants of the South Island of New Zealand, these eagles have left an indelible mark on Maori legends. Weighing in at a staggering 33 pounds, Haast's eagle holds the title for the largest eagle species ever known.
Our seagulls were the largest eagles that we know of in the entire world. They had a wingspan up to 2.6 meters wide, which is pretty massive.
Surpassing even the formidable harpy eagle, which weighs around 20 pounds. The colossal size of these eagles is attributed to their primary prey, the flightless moa, some of which could tip the scales at an impressive 510 pounds. Regrettably, Haast's eagle met its demise around 1400, coinciding with the arrival of the Maori. The eagles heavily relied on large, flightless birds for sustenance, and the competition for resources with the early Maori likely contributed to their extinction. While the eagles were formidable hunters, their massive size and predatory tactics wouldn't have endeared them to contemporary humans. Picture this: Haast's eagles, with their substantial beaks, engaged in a violent hunting technique, tearing out the internal organs of their prey, inducing fatal blood loss. They might have even adopted a vulture-like approach, thrusting their heads into the body cavities of animals to feast on their organs. The vivid image of these majestic yet fearsome creatures roaming today's world prompts the realization that no family pet would be safe from their formidable presence. Number 17. The Hercules Beetle.
Do you like fruit? Do you like insects? Well, I found the perfect pet for you. Today we are going to teach you how to take care of Hercules beetles.
Our strong dislike for bugs, especially the larger ones, is no secret. Take the Hercules beetle, for instance, a colossal insect earning its name not for any comforting reason, but for its immense size and strength, reminiscent of Greek mythology's heroic figures. Naming a bug after a demigod is far from reassuring. The Hercules beetle's horn, doubling as a potent pincher, adds an extra layer of dread to its intimidating presence. What's more, these beetles can change colors at will, with females turning all black in arid nocturnal environments due to color fading. Recognized by the Guinness Book of World Records as the world's longest insect, the Hercules beetle's measurements include its horn, making it undeniably substantial at 3 to 7 inches, depending on horn inclusion. Now, about those horns, varying in size based on individual beetles and lineages, they serve a crucial role in combat. Engaging in fierce battles for mating rights, these beetles turn their horns into sword-like weapons. Imagine a male Hercules beetle grasping its opponent between its horns, lifting and throwing them to the ground. These beetles are formidable, and their intense battles are not for the faint of heart. Consider yourself warned. Number 16. SAA Antelope.
These researchers have been on the go for days looking for saigas across the vast grasslands of the Kazakh steppe.
SAA antelopes, intriguing and on the verge of the mythical, face a precarious existence. Once widespread across the vast Eurasian steppe, these critically endangered antelopes now survive in small numbers in Russia and Kazakhstan, vividly illustrating their vulnerable state. With a mere 50,000 individuals remaining, SAA antelopes hover on the brink of extinction. Measuring around 32 inches tall at the shoulder and weighing up to 152 pounds, these antelopes possess a head and body length of about 55 inches. Their distinctive features include bloated, downward-facing nostrils, dark marks on their cheeks and noses, and notably long 4.5-inch ears. Male saigas stand out further with thick, wax-colored, and slightly translucent horns, adorned with up to 20 rings, reaching lengths of about 15 inches. Thriving in diverse landscapes like open woodlands, grasslands, steppes, and semi-deserts, saigas predominantly form large herds. Their unique diet includes various plants, even those considered toxic to other animals. Amid a shrinking habitat and the constant threat of extinction, these enigmatic antelopes navigate a delicate balance, serving as a poignant reminder of biodiversity's fragility in our ever-changing world. Number 15. Vogelkopf superb bird of paradise. The Vogelkopf superb bird of paradise, also known as the crescent-shaped Lophorina, or coral-caped bird of paradise, stands as a unique avian marvel. Endemic to the Bird's Head Peninsula, these birds were initially classified as a subspecies of the superb bird of paradise, first described by the eminent evolutionary biologist Ernst Mayr in the 1930s. It wasn't until 2018 that they earned recognition as a distinct species, a decision grounded in their distinctive behaviors and their captivating black plumage, featuring feathers that absorb an astonishing 99.95% of light. These remarkable birds find their habitat in the mountainous regions of the Bird's Neck Peninsula in western New Guinea, Indonesia. Frequently spotted at elevations reaching up to 6,561 feet, the Vogelkopf's superb bird of paradise showcases a family lineage that is truly exceptional. The broader family of birds of paradise, numbering around 44 species across 17 genera, is predominantly found in Australia, Indonesia, and Papua New Guinea. Renowned for their extraordinary plumage, which often includes long feathers extending from their beaks, tails, heads, or wings, most birds of paradise species inhabit dense rainforest environments. Their diet typically consists of a delectable combination of fruits and arthropods. The Vogelkopf's superb bird of paradise, with its recent recognition as a distinct species, adds another layer of fascination to the rich tapestry of avian diversity in the region. Number 14. Honduran whitebats. Honduran whitebats, exclusive to Central America and stretching from Honduras through parts of eastern Nicaragua, Costa Rica, and western Panama, might not be a familiar sight near you. One distinctive feature setting them apart is their unconventional choice of housing. Unlike most bats that dwell in caves, these unique bats take a leaf and, using their teeth, fashion a tent. The ingenious construction allows a single leaf to host up to 15 bats from their colony, showcasing their ability to make the most of limited resources. Despite their diminutive size, Honduran white bats exhibit exceptional resourcefulness, creating complex structures on a mere leaf. Interestingly, these bats have a particular culinary preference. They lean towards a fruit-based diet, with figs ranking high on their menu. This dietary choice adds an intriguing layer to their appearance. Despite being dubbed white bats, keen observers will note the various splashes of yellow on their bodies. This distinctive coloring arises from the bats utilizing pigments from plants and figs to dye themselves. On a genetic level, these bats claim the unique title of being the first mammals known to engage in such color modification. The audacity of these bats to redefine their appearance in a way that suits their preferences serves as a reminder that in the animal kingdom, creatures simply do as they please, and who are we to question their choice of hues? Number 13. Lowland Streterrex. The Lowland Streterrex, enchanting creatures from Madagascar's tropical lowland rainforests, lead a versatile life, comfortable underground, on land, and in water. Despite their small size, averaging 5.5 inches and occasionally stretching to 7 inches, these mythical-looking tenrex make a lasting impression with their black spiny bodies adorned with yellow stripes, resembling spiky bumblebees. Their distinct appearance stands out in the lush landscape. Active day and night, these tenrex sustain themselves primarily by feasting on earthworms, using their resourceful technique of stamping their feet to attract and locate prey. With long snouts, they efficiently poke into the ground during their search for food. However, these endearing creatures face significant challenges. Persistent deforestation threatens their habitat, and they are sometimes hunted for food, endangering their fragile existence. The plight of the lowland streaked tenrex serves as a poignant reminder of the delicate balance between human activities and the need to preserve biodiversity. Number 12. Ardwolf. The Ardwolf, often mistaken for a hybrid of an aardvark and a wolf, is distinctly unrelated to either. Originating from an African dialect, the name translates to earth wolves, accurately reflecting their fascinating diet centered around consuming abundant insects from underground. While aardwolves share familial connections with hyenas, their culinary choices diverge significantly. Unlike hyenas favoring a carnivorous diet, aardwolves exhibit a unique appetite for bugs. Encountering one in Africa, you're likely to find it near a termite mound, engaged in an astounding feat, consuming tens of thousands of termites. This insatiable appetite reaches impressive heights, with some aardwolves capable of devouring up to 300,000 termites in a single meal. Facilitating this remarkable feat is the aardwolf's evolved tongue, resilient even to termite bites. The tongue plays a crucial role in extracting nutrients and moisture from termites, ensuring sustenance and hydration in the arid African climate. This adaptability is vital for survival, preventing the harsh African heat from taking a toll. Adding to their distinctive lifestyle, Ardwolves are nocturnal, seeking refuge in burrows during the day and emerging at night to hunt and partake in termite feasts. The Ardwolf's existence exemplifies nature's adaptability, where survival hinges on specialized behaviors and physical attributes tailored to an unconventional diet. Number 11. The Harlequin Toad. Harlequin toads, recognized for their diverse and vibrant color palette spanning orange, red, green, yellow, brown, black, and occasionally purple, earn the endearing nickname clown frogs due to their striking patterns. These toads, adorned in kaleidoscopic hues, hold symbolic significance in Panama, where one species is the national animal associated with fertility. Despite their cultural importance, Harlequin toads face a dire situation. Their peril doesn't arise from human-induced factors like deforestation or overexploitation, but rather from a devastating disease that struck their habitat in the 1980s. This unforeseen challenge has led to a significant decline in their numbers, pushing them to the brink of extinction. Efforts to locate them outside their native habitat have proved futile, turning these once common and colorful inhabitants of Panama into a rare sight. The diminishing population of Harlequin toads underscores the fragility of biodiversity in the face of unforeseen challenges. Preserving these toads becomes crucial, not just for their intrinsic value, but as a testament to the delicate balance between nature's wonders and the threats that can imperil even the most resilient and vibrant species. Number 10. Thorny Devil. The Thorny Devil, also known as the mountain devil, thorny lizard, or thorny dragon, is a fascinating lizard native to Australia. These creatures grow up to approximately 8.3 inches in length, tail included, and derive their name from their distinctive appearance. Sporting two large, horned scales on their heads, thorny devils exude an otherworldly aura, almost resembling little devils. Their bodies are further adorned with protective spines, forming a formidable defense against potential predators. Interestingly, thorny devils employ a combination of physical defenses and cunning tactics for survival. In addition to their spiky exterior, they rely on deception and camouflage to evade threats. One remarkable adaptation is their false head, a spiny decoy situated on their neck. When faced with a predator, the thorny devil skillfully tucks away its real head and presents the false one, crafted from soft tissue. This clever ruse adds an extra layer of defense, discouraging predators from pursuing an unappetizing and well-defended target. Residing in various regions of Central Australia, including arid shrublands and desert environments, thorny devils primarily feast on ants. Their unique approach to hydration is equally intriguing. These lizards collect moisture through their skin, utilizing the morning dew that touches their bodies. This moisture is then transported to their mouths, providing a vital source of hydration in their arid habitats. The thorny devil's surreal and almost absurd characteristics challenge belief in their reality. Yet these remarkable lizards, with their intricate adaptations and survival strategies, stand as a testament to the extraordinary diversity and ingenuity found in the natural world. Number 9. The White Orca. Exploring the mystery of predominantly white creatures leads us to the intriguing realm of white killer whales, or leucistic orcas. Unlike their vibrant counterparts, these marine giants exhibit a unique coloration due to a genetic anomaly called leucism, causing a partial loss of pigmentation. Unlike albinism, leucism affects skin color while leaving their eyes unchanged. In contrast to traditional killer whales, leucistic orcas have a striking white appearance with subtle hints of their original black color visible beneath the pale skin. However, this distinctive coloration poses challenges for them in hunting, as their conspicuous white coloring makes them easily detectable by prey, unlike their darker counterparts who can blend into the waters seamlessly. The study of these rare creatures goes beyond aesthetics, delving into the ecological roles and survival strategies impacted by leucism. With only around 10 observed in the wild, scientists aim to unravel the mysteries surrounding this genetic condition, pondering whether such rare appearances will become more common and exploring the evolutionary significance of leucism in the enigmatic world of killer whales. Number 8. The Black Sea Slug. The mysterious allure of rare sea slugs continues, and this time we turn our attention to the enigmatic black sea slug. Found in certain parts of the world, these captivating creatures boast an intriguing feature: a distinct brown spot amidst their predominantly black bodies. It's a visual oddity that stands out, prompting one to liken it to the saying, "sticks out like a sore thumb." One curious diver, perplexed by the peculiar appearance of the black sea slug, took to the online realm seeking answers. The response he received carried an air of mystery itself. Expect the unexpected. The explanation provided hinted at a potential connection to another sea slug species known as the spotted sea slug. The suggestion being that these two distinct slugs might share some genetic similarities, although the intricacies of their genetic makeup remain uncertain. In the world of sea slugs, where vibrant colors and unique features abound, the black sea slug's anomalous brown spot adds an extra layer of mystique. As with many wonders of the natural world, unraveling the intricacies of their genetic makeup and understanding the reasons behind their distinctive appearances often requires further exploration and research. So, the enigma of the black sea slug persists, inviting us to delve deeper into the ocean's mysteries to uncover the unexpected. Number 7. Northern Bald Ibis. The northern bald ibis is a bird that grabs attention, and your vivid depiction adds intrigue to its distinctive features like the bald head and downward curved bill, which might elicit an eerie feeling. While your initial reaction could involve some projection, it reflects the bird's striking and somewhat intimidating appearance. Beyond its captivating look, the northern bald ibis plays a crucial role in conservation. Facing a drastic decline in parts of the Middle East, particularly Syria, with only about 100 pairs remaining, the species was nearly extinct in the region, with only 2 individuals spotted. Conservation efforts and government interventions have played a vital role in reversing this decline, preventing the species from reaching extinction and marking a positive turn in their conservation status. However, the journey to recovery continues, and the northern bald ibis is still listed as endangered. Despite progress, there's ongoing work to ensure a stable and thriving population for this remarkable bird. The story of the northern bald ibis serves as a reminder of the delicate balance between human impact and the preservation of biodiversity, underscoring the importance of concerted efforts to protect and revive endangered species. Number 6. Rare blue-eyed cicada. The fascination with rare and valuable things takes an unexpected turn in the insect world, especially with the captivating tale of the blue-eyed cicada. Supposedly, scientists offered a substantial reward of $3,000 for a live specimen of this elusive insect, which gained attention. However, this narrative is more rumor than reality. Indeed, blue-eyed cicadas are rare, with only 1 in a million possessing this distinctive trait, making them stand out from the more common red-eyed counterparts. In the early 2000s, a rumor emerged, promising monetary rewards ranging from $100 to $3,000 for those who could find and deliver a blue-eyed cicada to the scientific community. However, this rumor lacks truth. The offer of financial compensation for blue-eyed cicadas was never genuine. It's a reminder to approach such claims skeptically and verify information. If you come across a blue-eyed cicada, don't expect a significant payday. Instead, consider contributing to science by offering your find to researchers or sharing it with your local news station for recognition, a pat on the back, or perhaps a name drop. Despite the lack of financial rewards, exploring the world of rare cicadas remains a fascinating journey into nature's wonders and the intriguing narratives surrounding them. Before we move on, here's today's subscriber's pick. Take a look at this image. The Akkerbelts, a mystical creature from Basque folklore, is a name that may not ring a bell for many. According to the rich tapestry of Basque mythology, the Akkerbelts is described as a goat-like spirit residing not on the surface of the land, but within its depths. In the intricate web of ancient beliefs, these mythical beings are attributed with a noble purpose, protecting other animals, regardless of the sacrifice required. The folklore surrounding the Ackerbelts suggests a selfless dedication to safeguarding fellow creatures, an ethos that might explain their elusive presence in the tales of old. The notion that these spirits may have met their demise while valiantly defending other animals adds a poignant layer to their mythological narrative. The Ackerbelts, though rarely spoken of in contemporary discussions, remains a captivating figure in the realm of folklore, leaving us with a sense of wonder and a nod to the intricate tales woven by ancient civilizations. As always, your thoughts and interpretations are welcome in the comments section below, inviting further exploration and discussion of these mythical beings. Number 5. Platypus. The platypus, a genuine creature, appears like a fantastical creation from mythology, as if Earth's creator used spare parts to craft something entirely unique. This egg-laying mammal is a marvel of biological eccentricity, with an audacious combination of traits including venomous spurs, biofluorescent fur, a storage-friendly tail, webbed feet, and an elongated snout. This amalgamation challenges conventional expectations of mammals. Cultural perceptions of the platypus vary, adding to its mythical aura. In some Aboriginal Australian cultures, it was considered a hybrid of a duck and water rat, while others revered it as a totem. The platypus has also served as a mascot, with Sid representing the Sydney 2000 Olympics and Hexley proudly representing the Darwin operating system. The platypus is a testament to evolution's marvels, showcasing creative diversity in the natural world. Its existence prompts awe and disbelief, as if nature playfully defied expectations, gifting us with a creature that challenges our understanding of the animal kingdom. Number 4. Frilled Lizard. The frilled lizard, also known as the frilled dragon, is a reptilian wonder that seems more like a mythical creature than a reality. Originating from northern Australia and southern New Guinea, these lizards feature a distinctive frill around their neck made of cartilage connected to their jawbone. In their typical routine, frilled lizards leisurely spend their days in trees, consuming small vertebrates and insects. However, when threatened, they unfurl their remarkable frills in a striking display, opening their mouths wide to reveal vibrant yellow or pink linings, blending into orange and red scales. This captivating behavior isn't limited to defense. Frilled lizards also exhibit their frills during courtship, territorial disputes, and as a deterrent to predators. The frill colors can vary based on their habitat, displaying brown, red, and orange in clay-filled environments and green, gray, and brown in tropical regions. The frilled lizard's ability to transform into a colorful and intimidating vision, combined with its arboreal lifestyle, adds mystique to this remarkable reptile. In the lush landscapes of northern Australia and southern New Guinea, the frilled lizard stands as a living testament to adaptation marvels and the beauty found in the natural world. Number 3. Blacknaped pheasant pigeon. The black-naped pheasant pigeon may not evoke warm feelings, especially for those disliking pigeons, but it has become a source of fascination for bird enthusiasts. This exceptionally rare bird, found in Papua New Guinea, is so elusive that seeking it is likened to searching for a unicorn. The bird's scarcity is noteworthy, with no documented proof of its existence for a staggering 140 years. The last known capture on film dates back to 1882, creating an air of mystery around this species. A dedicated team embarked on a mission to locate the elusive bird, gather crucial information, and contribute to its protection. The quest to rediscover the black-naped pheasant pigeon showcases the extraordinary efforts scientists and enthusiasts are willing to undertake to unveil the secrets of our natural world. By shedding light on the existence and status of this rare bird, researchers aim to support conservation efforts, ensuring that this avian wonder doesn't fade into mythical tales once more. Number 2. The Iberian Lynx. Certainly, the presence of a big cat on this list might be unexpected, given their iconic status in pop culture and symbolic importance. However, the Iberian Lynx stands out as a member of the big cat family facing a perilous threat of extinction. Not too long ago, these majestic felines found themselves teetering on the brink of complete extinction, classified as critically endangered. Fortunately, a collective effort emerged to confront this crisis and work towards saving the Iberian lynx. Thanks to the dedication of individuals and conservation initiatives, the situation has improved, and the Iberian lynx is now categorized as endangered. While this designation still signals a precarious situation, it represents a notable step back from the precipice of extinction. To comprehend the significance of the Iberian lynx's conservation, it's crucial to consider the broader context. If this species had succumbed to extinction, it would have marked the first feline extinction in approximately 10,000 years. Such a loss would not only have been a blow to biodiversity, but also a poignant reflection on the impact of human activities on the natural world. The ongoing efforts to preserve and protect the Iberian lynx underscore the importance of proactive conservation measures. As we strive to secure the future of this remarkable big cat, we are reminded of the responsibility to safeguard the diversity of life on Earth, ensuring that the Iberian lynx does not become a tragic footnote in the history of our planet's species. Number 1. Venezuelan poodle moth. The Venezuelan poodle moth is so fantastical that one might be forgiven for assuming it's a creature born of mythology. The truth is, we only became acquainted with this whimsical moth around 2009. Unidentified and aptly named for resembling a peculiar blend of a poodle and a moth, these creatures exude an odd charm that's simultaneously endearing and slightly unnerving. With what appears to be a coat of white, fluffy fur covering their bodies, they evoke an image that defies conventional expectations of moths. Our introduction to these enigmatic moths came courtesy of zoologist Arthur Anker from the Federal University of Ceará in Brazil. Anker shared a photograph of the Venezuelan poodle moth on his Flickr page, recounting the moment of discovery during a stroll through Canama National Park in Venezuela. However, when experts attempted to pinpoint its genus, they were met with a puzzle, as the moth eluded classification, leaving behind a trail of question marks. Some speculate that it may be related to the furry muslin moth. In the grand tapestry of Earth's biodiversity, the Venezuelan poodle moth emerges as a reminder that nature's surprises are boundless. Even as we uncover countless new species, particularly in the rich rainforests of South America, the Venezuelan poodle moth stands out as a testament to the ongoing exploration and discovery of the planet's most peculiar and captivating inhabitants. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video.